Cows produce methane through enteric fermentation, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Researchers are exploring the use of seaweed, particularly red seaweed, as a feed additive to reduce methane emissions in cows by suppressing the enzyme that produces methane. Other additives such as fatty acids and oregano have also shown promise in reducing methane production in cows. Scaling up seaweed production could help combat ocean acidification caused by rising carbon dioxide levels, but logistical challenges remain in terms of drying, packaging, and shipping seaweed at a low cost. While seaweed shows promise in reducing methane emissions, it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution, and further research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness.